just 4 drugs 2122. Sounds tasty. I'll defs have to put in an order with him. Seems like he's got a lot of success getting his meth here down under, so I won't have to stress about packages not coming. Vortex was a letdown, but let's hope Dub G can make up for that. Lol, can't wait. Post by Keteljigdaxivin. Another vote for Dub G's meth quality. ABC 123. How much meth do you actually go through on a daily basis? Post by just 4 drugs 2122. Haha, that's what I was wondering as well. Post by just 4 drugs 2122. Hope you get through it, bro. I am thinking of starting to sell meth. I get off here, $500 for 3 Gs off Dub G, selling points for $100 a point or even $80. I'll make a killing, plus it'll be free smoke for me as well, woo. Post by Gooey Dog. I am waiting on a package from Dub G, shipped last Monday, so I'm hoping it will be here either tomorrow or the next day. I am really excited to try this meth. I think I'll be getting some of the best there is out there, and this is my first experience taking it, having had trouble ordering off Vortex and Twok only doing domestic, so I am going for the higher priced stuff, and I am really happy he does not ask to FE. I'll drop a review of the product once I get it, and I am waiting on a box of glass freebase pipes to get here to vape it properly. I'll just try it on foil when it arrives, as I clearly won't wait till pipes arrive. Haha, how much meth would you recommend I use to vape for each dose? I am headstrong and very used to doing other stimulant drugs, it's just we don't get meth in the UK, so never tried it. I'm assuming heroin should bring me down nicely off it too, right? Post by Digital Dong. For real, drying up quicker means it's better. Shitty dope stays liquid longer, good dope turns back solid fast. Post by Digital Dong. Douche. Post by Ecopactum. So glad to see Vroom is back and not in jail. I figured his partner tried to screw him over again. Hopefully this time he didn't succeed any further than disrupting his operation. I've got an order in with the professor still processing, and Vroom has said he will send me something this week to make up the money I already gave him. Hopefully this week turns out to be as good as it seems it will be. Post by just 4 drugs 2122. I hope there's more vendors to come selling meth, ESPN AUS. The more variety the better, I say. I hope us meth vendors start offering international shipping. But with the rate of Aussie buyer scams there are, I doubt they'll start to offer international shipping anytime soon. I reckon they should give the ones with great buying stats a chance. I'd be willing to assume all the risk of a package going missing if that were to happen. It's just plain unreasonable to expect a vendor to cop the blame if a package goes missing. Shit happens. And if you don't have the cash to risk the purchase with, don't do it. Lol, simple as that. Post by just 4 drugs 2122. Also, I've noticed an Aussie vendor trying to sell sweet puff pipes for over $50 on SR. I can buy one locally for $25, but if you can't find a shop to sell them to you locally, I highly suggest you check out their selling sweet puff pipes for $13 a piece, which is cheap as fuck. No need to smoke off foil anymore when you can smoke out of a high quality pipe. Happy puffing. Post by Priscilla Marie 90. Hey, can someone please explain to me what those curved pipes are used for? Do people use them to smoke meth? What's the purpose of having the curve? Post by just 4 drugs 2122. Yeah, they're used to smoke meth. They're pretty much the standard of crack pipes in AUS. I've had one that is the same as the pipe on your freebase pipe listing, but I didn't like the fact it had such a small hole at the top and the glass was so thin that it broke with what Americans call a Q-tip. Sweet puffs have a ball on the side, which means you can stand it up while you load the pipe up with some of that sweet meth we all love. Post by Keteljigdaxivin. You love the sweet puffs. I think the best thing about it is the fact that you can easily see the meth in the bowl while you're having a hit and be able to much easier see how it's melting, vaping, and thus prevent boiling and burning it. Post by Priscilla Marie 90. I want one NOWW. Post by just 4 drugs 2122. I wanna smoke one now. Title: Meth vs. Heroin. Post by Leech. Okay, Lil Bro dug out an old package of Doff Boys meth and tried upon it. Only this time it's the most he ever tried. Well, a small dose for light user anyway. One match head equals 25-30 mg, in the past Lil Bro only tried up to 15 mg, was vaped and the effect was like steroid. I was able to exercise twice my strength during workout and had an initial head rush. A sort of pleasant speedy giddiness. And it goes on for 3 hours. The reason I try such minute dose, you might think, is I have heard too much shit stories of meth ruining lives. Compared to H is more psychedelic but sedative, and makes you dreamy and close your droopy eyes. Meth makes you awake and not much of psychedelic quality since it's a stimulant. Meth does give the euphoric rush but also makes one kinda obsessive compulsive, irritable and ego-inflated. It's a good old rush but bro won't be doing again soon to maintain the tolerance. Just wanna test out this shit a bit. Anyway, Sniffers is offering the cheapest meth on SR. Anyone tried it yet? Is it pure meth? Post by ThatFish89. Has anyone here tried meth from Marijuana Is My Muse? I ordered some off him and just as it was too late he got this review. Crystals arrived well packaged and processed quickly with OFE rec. Communications have been prompt and courteous. I was notified via message for package going out, a nice touch. Haven't tested quality but the gear came in crystal pieces and not in powder form and appears to be quality. Will follow up if quality is otherwise. Edit, this is the follow-up. Upon testing the gear, I must report to the community that the crystal melts and smokes up nicely, but then nothing else. It had no effect on me and my friend at all. It seems what was delivered instead was just about 100% MSM HCl, most likely, or possible mix of MSM and nisopropylbenzylamine. HCl. Based on my results after melt recrystallize time comparing test results, the non-excitant stimulating effects, and the extremely white residue left on the pipe, I was able to narrow down to the above two as most likely suspect. Contacted seller regarding the quality issue and received a same-day response saying he will get back to me soon with additional details. In the vendor's defense though, I honestly don't think she was the one doing the cutting. More likely have been misinformed about the product, which is understandable. I will update this back to 5 of 5 once this quality issue is addressed properly. The guy has a fairly good transaction record, so I'm of the same opinion of the above review in that he probably wouldn't have done it on purpose, I hope. Anyhow, anyone tried his gear? Post by Ecopactum. Processing. UGGHHH. I hate this waiting. Buy the ticket, take the ride. When the going gets weird, the weird turn pro. Post by Nomad Bloodbath. I received some meth from McGillicuddy Johns and not only did I get the best customer service from this vendor but some great quality product and packaging. This vendor is very professional and I didn't get the runaround and worry if my order got mailed because an hour later I had a DCN and it was on its way that very afternoon. I'll see about grabbing some pictures this evening and adding them. As for McGillicuddy Johns, he will be getting more orders from me for both of his current products. If you are up in the air about your methamphetamine vendor, then by all means give McGillicuddy Johns a chance, he won't disappoint. T.Y. McGillicuddy Johns. Nomad Bloodbath. Post by Ecopactum. Congratulations on being the 1000 posts, Nomad. I wish my order was in transit, lol. Post by Hassan Isabar. Marijuana Is My Muse is a new and highly recommended new meth vendor from Canada. Went to my mailbox this morning and found a very stealthy little package, so stealthy in fact I didn't know who it could possibly even be from. Wow. I only ordered 0.25 gram but there was close to about a gram of the chunkiest clearest shards I have seen in a very long time, too lovely to crush and snort, my usual method on intake. So I put one big chunk in my pipe and nearly got a woody just from watching that baby melt. Man, super clean, super smooth, and pure, it was the biggest exhale of smoke that I have done in a long time. This stuff is da bomb. This is the reason I do METH. If you are looking to try a new meth connect def give Marijuana is My Muse a try, you will not be disappointed. Silk Road, membership has its privileges. Post by, Hussein Isabar. Yeah, I know, I am a degenerate, but nothing is more lovely than watching a big chunk of ice melt in your glass pipe into a clear puddle of water, giving you a lungful of rocket fuel that sends you into atmosphere. It's akin to that little red poppy that appears in the syringe before the junk fiend slams that pusher down and shoots that golden brown that's made its way from the distant poppy fields of Afghanistan into the vein. Perhaps I am of a superstitious bent, but ritual certainly plays a central role and appeals to the primordial in all and any of my polysubstance drug activities. Silk Road, membership has its privileges. Post by, Hussein Isabar. See the review I just posted. Def contact the vendor BC, he seems very reasonable and the gear that he sent me is %100 very fucking explosive. Silk Road, membership has its privileges. Post by, Jeff. Wow, 2.5 months and Vortex got me my package. Weighed double what I ordered, by the way. Fuck yeah, go Vortex. Still kinda mad I had to wait 2.5 months, but this honestly made up for it. Post by, Just for Drugs 2122. Fuck man, you must be doing good, haha. Post by, Keto Jigdaxivin. Haha man, that's something ABC, you live the motto, go hard or go home. I'm pretty sure I've had at least half a point of dub Gs at some point every day for the last 2 weeks, some days up to 3 points, but luckily I've still been able to sleep fairly often. I love how the brain realizes that the sleep it's about to enter might be the last one for a few nights, so you end up going straight into deep REM sleep. To the point that my partner can't wake me up, then you wake up 4 hours later and feel so rested, as if you slept for 12 hours. I need to now hold off as I'm not enjoying the rush as much due to continuous intake. Had to resort to hot rails to even feel a decent rush, pretty certain I have mastered the hot rail though. Once you have a Pyrex pipe with a wider horn-like opening on the hot end and a widespread triple jet lighter, it's piss easy to rail a point at a time. Anywho, I digress. Ordered from Dub G last night, checked now and it's been marked in transit less than 24 hours later. Awesome. Means I don't have to conserve as much, Haha, that means I still might have a chance. It's only been around 2 months since I ordered a tiny bit from VMM with my leftover coin. Post by, Keiki. I'll stick with a 2-piece freebase pipe, same as your standard meth pipe except the bowl detaches allowing easy loading / cleaning. Wonder if anyone would have an interest in buying? I could ask my friend if he can blow more. Post by, Digital Dong. Can you take a photo of that or describe more how and where it comes apart? Does the stem attach right there close to the bowl part? I am wondering if the pipe could actually work as a crack stem and a tweaker pipe. That would be cool, except that crack is whack tongue face. Post by, NN01. Yo. I've had one meth order before from Dub G that took exactly 1 week shipping from us to Norway, Northwest Europe. So when I had now placed a few orders a couple days before the 4/20 sale and checked my mailbox every day for a few weeks after I had given up all hope as nothing had still reached me, but guess what, suddenly today there is these amazing clear superb damn perfect crystals lying in my mailbox in a perfectly camouflaged letter from Dub G. I was so sure it would never come now, this long after, and started to fear the cops come knocking on my door and even started going in hiding with this summer's weed grow and put a lot of extra work into that because of this missing mail. But now suddenly, near 3 weeks after I ordered this perfect crystal, well, I am so happy. I have barely had a hit of it even though I am pretty wasted from no sleep after MXEMDAMDMA yesterday. This is so nice. It's overweight too, and packaging was superb. Customs would really had to tear up and dig deep in the whole thing if they were ever going to find it. I am still missing some meth from Crystal Wife ordered same time, and also LSD from 3Jane I ordered on the 4/20 sale that is also missing for unusually long time, but this sudden package have given me new hope. Damn, I am so happy right now. I had given up all hope and was only dreaming of meth a distant week months away when I could get around to get more BTCs, new address and all, PFF. Not gonna sleep in a while now I guess, lol. I've been thinking of hitting that nice crystal every day since I first tried it and had already started saving up for 3 more Gs and getting a new address thinking my current one got flagged Hehe I've even looked everywhere for recipes etc. to make my own, I just can't get the pseudoephedrine, that is completely unavailable and illegal in Norway. I think I'll have to buy a proper meth pipe too now, I've just used a homemade light bulb till now. Thanks WG. Love you everyone, great place this Silk Road D. Post by, Manor71. Dude, do you do anything other to do than post useless drivel every 14 seconds? Fuck, ever heard the phrase less is more? I quick review a BMM threat as you whining like a schoolgirl, and then celebrating because you actually got your stuff. You're the poster child for why drugs should be illegal. Furthermore, your slang is a mix between stupidity and feigned prepubescent angst. While you may think everything that comes to your Neanderthal brain is genius, it's not. This is not junior high school. Give the grown-ups a break. I'm sick of reading 97-page threads where 80 pages are you popping off like a masturbating chimp. Post by, The Beast 666. Fantastic. Nail on the head. So much so that it has warranted what is my second post on any forum ever. Less is indeed more. The constant waxing idiotic on this forum of a few tweakers, who desperately need hobbies or friends to occupy themselves in a way besides spewing forth whatever nonsense pops into their mind, have made it almost impossible to extract any actual valuable information from this forum without first running the gauntlet of tumor-inducing drivel. That concludes my 2 cents. Post by, Manor71. 2 types of drug users. 1. Moron, and 2. Ultra-intelligent thinkers. The former has been ruining it for the latter since the beginning of time. Post by, Harpua25. Res judicato indeed. Post by, Disco King 23. Love it, I've always considered myself the former, I'm sure when I try and convince people, I sound like the latter. Post by, Disco King 23. Just received some of Afghan Apothecary's shards, pretty good quality, the price is a little steep, but he's knocked it down over the last few days, he's reselling VMM, so not sure of the batch, they were crushed to dust, but some pieces were big enough to see the crystal. Great rush, lovely clean smoke, and super fast delivery. I've always got great stuff from AA. Not a scammer for sure. Thanks AA. Post by, Old School. New Sig, lol. Post by, Pinkman. A 2-piece glass pipe where bowl detaches from stem? How truff is that? I would totally be interested in picking one up. We'll look for such a posting if you can. Post by, Toajama. Heisenberg has listings back UP. Better hurry, YUMM. Post by, Ecopactum. You know, there's one thing that I love about this particular thread. If you surf through the other threads in the rumor mill you will find that they are filled with hateful scumbags and adolescent bickering. Not here, at least not most of the time. Not until someone like you comes along and feels the need to inject a heavy dose of vitriol into the conversation. The majority of us here converse daily, whether it be about receiving a product and giving a review, or just about off-topic stuff that pertains to meth. That's what this thread is for, you see? If you are looking specifically for different feedback pertaining to one vendor, then use the search box in the upper right hand of your screen, type in the vendor's name, and it should direct you to a number of things relating to that handle. Typically you will be able to find your vendor's personal thread relating to nothing but their services. Don't come here if you can't handle off-topic conversation. ABC 123 Nuthin does post a lot, yes, and the majority of his posts aren't reviews exactly. However, on the other hand a lot of his posts are reviews and good ones at that. He probably buys more than any of us here, and if not he at least buys from different vendors more often. I would say singling him out is unfair, because even though he posts more than the rest of us, there is an equal amount of people that post just general conversations, I'm included. I like the meth community compared to some of the others on Silk Road, and I'd like to keep this thread from becoming another arena where opinionated assholes throw insults at each other like pubescent apes throw shit. You don't have to read his, or anyone else's posts. As a matter of fact, you don't have to come here at all, especially to put down one of them or well-liked member of this community. You seem to be the only one complaining about his posts on this thread, so take note of that before you decide to make public your disgust and negativity. Thanks for your time, Eco. Post by Priscilla Marie 90. Post by Keiki. Sorry for late post, I could get around to posting a pic of it tomorrow maybe. The bowl is slightly smaller than your typical bowl but it's extremely durable, literally dropped it hot 1 to 2 feet into my sink and it just bounced around without a scratch. It has a stem of sorts, thick glass, 2 chambers, which features an array of psychedelic designs/colors, similar to what you'd find in glass meant for cannabis, nothing like your typical meth pipe. Bowl OBV is clear. The front chamber which attaches to the bowl collects like 80% plus of any residue. I've had some success rigging it and basing leftovers directly out of this chamber, though it seems to warp a bit. The bowl slides into the pipe and doesn't come out without a little bit of force. As stated, it's tough as hell. The bowl doesn't screw in or anything, but you can hold it upside down and it won't come out. Getting a few extras is a big maybe. It was sort of made by hand custom for me. Some degree of bribery would be involved, I am sure. Also, replacement bowls are a dime a dozen, figuratively speaking, so it'd probably be able to ship with extra bowls. Just try not to drop the stem too bad and you'd be it. Post by Keiki. Pick of pipe. Gotta see the guy tomorrow, so he'll be sure to ask about getting MOAR. Post by Just for Drugs 2122. God damn, I want one too. Is there a hole in the bowl like normal pipes? How does it work? Post by Manor Threat 71. Eat a dick? Nice. Top level stuff. Are you the captain of the debate team at your elementary school? Clearly, this is the type of quality contribution your supporter are arguing in support of for your existence. What the fuck was I thinking? Eat a dick? Pure genius. From you experience, does this potentate the high, a dick generally taster while smoking meth? What benefit might one derive from eating a dick? Clearly you use a lot of drugs, so I will defer to your superior knowledge on the dick eating issue since you repeat it 43 times a day, but man, I just cannot eat a dick. What was your first time like? Seriously, if only I had the mind of a mentally impaired prepubescent boy could I possibly contrive such a masterful retort. I am not trying to make you cry, son. I'm just trying to help the retarded kids stay on point. Even stupid people can add value. Sack up. When mommy told you you're worth something, she was, well, sorta, right. Fuck that, she was fucking lying. Can you just stop clogging every thread with your nuggets of wisdom? I got a kid your age, of course you wanna share your vast knowledge of eating dicks, just confine it a single area. Please. Post by Just for Drugs 2122. Dude, just get the fuck out of this thread and stop trolling, seriously, grow up. Post by Manor Threat 71. You sticking with your cogent analysis? I know you've been around here a couple of weeks, and thus, you're the arbiter of all decision, but wake the fuck up. Unfortunately Einstein, I do have to read his posts because they are everywhere with similar substance. I have yet to find the magic button that makes his informative posts disappear. Did you write a script? You're right, I don't have to come here. However, neither do you. Did you miss Petitio Principis? Shocker, the dick eater is still here. Res ipsa is particularly applicable to the issue. Post by Manor Threat 71. Trolling? I'm not even sure what this means. I left my internet euphemism guide at the office. I'm going out on a limb here, and calling it not good. This world is very full of stupid Have you looked beyond the one post referenced? If you had. Oh fuck it. This is like explaining to a couple of retards that they are retards. You're never gonna get it. What's your take on eating dicks while smoking meth? Are you supporting his position? Understandable. Clearly, I'm mistaken, I thought this was about meth, my bad. Post by, Blackhead. Hi. Can anyone help me out here please? I am expecting mail from VMM and the store. Both the same amount. Today one order arrived, however I cannot tell which one it is. May I ask for the rough location from where both vendors ship? Or any other hint? Thanks a lot. Bye. Blackhead. Post by, Just for Drugs 2122. What's with you and eating dicks all the time? You must thoroughly enjoy the activity. Post by, Ketoljigdaxivin. Buddy, put the big people's dictionary down for a moment and realize that you are the one filling up this thread now, but instead it's with your hateful crap. Most people on this forum would much rather read ABC's posts than yours. Sure, we could all make theories about how you feel the need to punish faceless people on the internet for whatever shit goes on in your own life, but there's a million other things we would rather be doing instead. How about you take a break from the pipe for a few days and give your hateful brain some much-needed sleep? You might even be able to crack a smile once you wake up. Post by, India Tester. Yo mang, for starters, the insult dick eater, dick bag and other assortments of dick variable are actually the height of our culture. ABC should be commended for awesomeness, true respect, fella. In fact, your ongoing bullshit made me review his posts. I had a laugh, he doesn't seem troll-like at all. Sure, not all of us sip crystal and wear gay fucking shower robes around the house pretending to be Frasier Crane, pondering about the complexities of our own asshole, but we are cool with it. The news is, the rappers ditched crystal when that French faggot started bagging the black rappers out, and then sales died in the arse. What I'm trying to say here, is you're a faggot. We don't want to hear your ad libum ho res ipsa gay ass bullshit here, and see how I could have just said shut up faggot, but I made it all long-winded, in a demonstration and reflection of how you do things, except you suck balls, you should be stripped of your man license. Post by, Thatfish89. MIMM's shards arrived in the mail today. It took 6 days for him to get it from Canada to my mailbox in Australia using standard shipping. Very impressed. The shards look lovely. Although I intended on sleeping tonight, I had to burn up a tiny bit to test it, and wow. It took a little time to come on for whatever reason, but once it did I was and still am pumping. Everyone should give this guy a try. I was a little concerned by a review one guy gave him which pretty much said it was fake crystal, but I've seen the light. I'll be back. Fish. Post by, Ecopactum. Well, still nothing today. I placed an order with Prof last week. I'm really hoping it comes tomorrow. He said he hoped it to be here by Wed, but never told me what day he shipped or gave me a DCN. I really hope he shipped it on Monday like he said he was going to on his profile. It'd suck to keep wasting gas checking the mail. Hopefully I can provide a good review tomorrow. Seems like my whole life has been waiting for tomorrow. Edit, well, just found out that it shipped today, 2 days after marked in transit. Most likely won't be here till Monday then, maybe Saturday if I'm lucky. Shitty. I suppose this stuff happens. Saturday will make a week since I placed order. Mix of MSM and N-isopropylbenzylamine HCl. Post by, Hassan Isabar. Post by, Thelis Tremnant. Trust me guys, don't buy shit from Canada, they do not have any good drugs, they get all their shit from the USA and other countries, that's where all the scammers are anyway. Good meth is going to probably come from the South, the Mexicans make tons of that shit and there are labs all around the USA. Can anyone say how good WG's meth is? It is expensive, so can anyone confirm that it is the best quality on here? Thanks. Post by, Pinkman. What? How fucking retarded are you? You tell everyone not to trust stuff from Canada based on your totally uninformed impression that all the good labs are in the States and made by Mexicans. As if people in Canada aren't capable of putting together a good meth lab. Considering how easy the stuff is to whip up with anyone with a little chem experience, and how much easier the precursors are to obtain in bulk from Canada than many states in the US, in fact, many times the pseudo is smuggled in bulk from Canada, you are obviously one dumb motherfucker. Then you top it off by revealing what a true moron you are by demonstrating you've never even ordered from Canada and are just talking out of your ass, as if there was ever any doubt, by asking if anyone had ever even tried Dub G's stuff. Only a few posts up someone was giving an A+ review to McNulty Jones and his Canadian glass, yet you're here to tell everyone that Canadians can't cook. Well, how would you know, you dumb little kid?